Cock-a-doodle-doo. Good job. Aw, man, it's not deep enough for you to use as a finger puppet. That would have been smart, huh? What was that? Was that a horse or a donkey? Donkey! Donkey says, hee-haw! What's that one? That's a goat. Meh. What? I can't see it, bud. I think that's a goat. Do not throw things at your doggy. That's not kind. Can you go give Osa kind touches and tell her you're sorry? It's not okay to throw things when you're upset or frustrated. Are you giving her kind touches, buddy?
Doggy.
That's a goat. What does a goat say? Meh. Good job.
Doggy.
Goat.